Children, it is a continuation of the chapter pair of linear equations in two variables. Now let us continue the exercise 6. The fifth question. What is that fifth question? 7x minus 2y divided by xy equals 5 is one equation. And the other one is 8x plus 7y divided by xy equals 15. Now we have to reduce them to the form of linear equation. Now you take, that is the first one is 7x minus 2y divided by xy equals 5 it is. Now here you convert this as, this implies divide each term by xy, that is 7x by xy minus 2y by xy is equals to 5, and this implies, this can be written as 7x by xy means, that is xx cancels here, you will get 7 by y minus here y cancels, what is remaining, minus 2 by x equals 5. Now the second equation is 8x plus 7y by xy equals 15. That implies divide each term by xy here, 8x by xy plus 7y by xy is equals to 15. That implies x's cancels, you will get 8 by y plus here y cancels, you will get 7 by x equals 15. Now you consider, this is the equation 1, this is the equation 2. Now here 7y by y means that is nothing but, you take 7 by y minus 2 by x equals 5, and the next one is 8 by y plus 7 by x equals 15. Now you write it as 7 into 1 by y minus 2 into 1 by x equals 5. The second, this one becomes 8 into 1 by y plus 7 into 1 by x equals 15. Then you take 1 by y is equals to m and 1 by x is equals to n, or 1 by y is equals to a, 1 by x equals b. So you take, put a is equals to 1 by y and b is equals to 1 by x, or m is equals to 1 by y and n is equals to 1 by x. Now the equation 1 here, it is equation 2. Now the equation 1 is what becomes 7a minus 2b. Here 7 into 1 by y becomes 7a, 2 into 1 by x becomes 2b, that equals 5 here. Next one is the equation 2 is 8a plus 7b is equals to 15 it is. 7a minus 2b equals 5, 8a plus 7b equals to 15. Now here I can take it as, that is the question, the equation 3, this is the equation 4. Now here if you want to solve it by elimination method, try to cancel any one of the variable. See the coefficient of the variables here. Here the coefficient of a is 7 in first equation, 8 in second equation. The coefficient of b is minus 2 in first equation and 7 in second equation. So to have the same coefficients, here if you want to cancel, if you want to eliminate b, take the LCM of 2 and 7. LCM of 2 and 7 is 14. So convert them as a coefficient 14 here. So you must convert the coefficient of b as 14, as the LCM of 2 and 7 is 14. So to have the 14, 2 must be multiplied by 7 and 7 must be multiplied by 2. So multiply the third equation, equation 3 by 7. y you have to multiply it by 7 to have the coefficient 14. The LCM of 2 and 7 is 14 here. By multiplying equation 3 by what? 7 and equation 4 by 2. So what it becomes? Multiply the equation first, that is 7 into 7a minus 2b is equals to 7 into 5. Next one, 2 into 8a plus 7b into 2 into 15. Then this equation becomes, multiply each term here, 7 into 7a, that you will get 49a minus 7 into 2b, that is 14b equals 7 5s are 35. Next one is, here it is 8 2s are 16a minus, that is 8 2s are 16a. Next 7 2s are 2 7s are 14b. So right, plus 14b it is 2 15s are, that is 15 2s are 30 it is. Now you take it, the fourth equation here, that is fifth equation. Now here verify the coefficient, sign of the coefficient here. Here it is minus and here it is plus. As they are having different sign, add them. So add by adding equation 4 and equation 5, that is by 4 plus 5 it is. Then it becomes, that is, you write 49a minus 14b is equals to 35 and addition 16a plus 14b is equals to 30. So here add them, that is 49a minus 14b, this is the fourth equation, this is the fifth equation, that is 4 plus 5. So 49 minus 14b plus 16a plus 14b is equals to 35, add the bracket here, 35 plus 30 it is. Now open the bracket, 49a minus 14b plus 16a plus 14b is equals to 65. 35 plus 30 is 65. Next, minus 14a plus 14b cancels here. 49a plus 16a is 49a plus 16a, again it is 65a is equals to 65. So you got a is equals to 65 by 65. You got 65 ones are 65 ones are, a equals 1 you got. Now you substitute the value of a in equation 3. So you write by substituting a equals 1 in equation 3. So what is that equation 3? 7a minus 2b equals 5. 7a minus 2b equals 5 it is. So a means 1. 7 into 1 minus 2 into b is equals to 5 it is. So 7 minus 2b is equals to 5. Then minus 2b is equals to 5 minus 7 it is. Then it is minus 2b is equals to minus 2. 5 minus 7 is minus 2. Then b is equals to minus 2 by minus 2. That implies b is equals to 1. So you got a equals 1, b equals 1. Then here a you have taken that is 1 by y. B is 1 by x. So you take a is equals to 1 by y is equals to 1. That implies 1 is equals to 1 by y. That implies y is equals to 1 here. Then b is equals to 1 by x, that also equals to 1. That implies 1 equals 1 by x. That implies x equals 1 by the cross multiplication. You got the values here. Therefore, here you can take x equals 1 and y is also equals to 1. Next you take the sixth question. 6x plus 3y is equals to 6xy. 2x plus 4y is equals to 5xy. Take that equation. 6x plus 3y is equals to 6xy. 2x plus 4y is equals to 5xy. So you take the first equation. Here you divide each term by xy. Divide both LHS and RHS by xy here. Dividing LHS and RHS by xy. Then it becomes 6x by xy plus 3y by xy is equals to x cancels. Here what is remaining? 6 here. Now here it becomes x cancels. Here y cancels. And what is remaining here? 6y plus 6 by y plus 3 by x is equals 6. So this is the first you take. First equation is converted as like this way. Now you take the second one. 2x plus 4y is equals to 5xy. 2x plus 4y is equals to 5xy. Here also you divide both LHS and RHS by xy. So you divide LHS by xy and RHS by xy. So you write dividing LHS and RHS by xy. Then it becomes 2x by xy plus 4y by xy. xy cancels. What is remaining here? 5. Now you cancel x and x. It becomes 2 by y plus y and y. What is remaining here? 4 by x. That equals 5 here. So this is the second equation what you got. Here it is second. Now take the first equation, that is 6 by y plus 3 by x equals 6. That implies 6 into 1 by y plus 3 into 1 by x equals 6. And second one becomes 2 by y plus 4 by x equals 5. That implies 2 into 1 by y plus 4 into 1 by x equals 5 it is. Now here you write 1 by y is equals to a, 1 by x equals b, or 1 by y is equals to m, 1 by x equals n here. Now you take, let us take, put 1 by y is equals to a or m, you take m, and 1 by x equals n. Now this is the, here the equation becomes, what is that equation? This is the third equation you take. This is the fourth equation, or your equation 3 becomes, or here also you can take the same equation here. You take here 1 and 2 only, 1 and 2 it is. Here there is no any change here, so you take that 1 and 2 only. Now you take equation 1 becomes, equation 1 is what? 6 into p. Here we have taken 1 by y is m, so it becomes 6m plus 3n equals 6. And equation second is 2m plus 4n equals 5 it is. Now here decide to eliminate any one of the variable here. To eliminate the variable, we have to observe the coefficient. So which is convenient, you observe. Here you can observe that m is having the 6 as a coefficient and here m is having 2. So you can convert 2 into 3, 2 into 6 easily by multiplying 2 by 3. So you multiply the second equation by 3 here. Second equation by 3 and first equation by 1 only, as it is having 6. So you write, this is the equation 1 is converted, means you take it as 3, take it as 4. So by multiplying equation 3 by multiplying equation 3 by what 1 and equation 4 by 3, we get what we get, that is 1 into 6m plus 3n equals 1 into 6, and that becomes what, multiply each term by 1, that becomes 6m plus 3n equals 6. The second equation, that is 3 into 2m plus 4m is equals to 2m plus 4n, it is 4n equals 3 into 5. That implies multiply each term by 3, that is 3 to the 6m, 3 to the 6m and 3 4 the 12n equals 3 5 the 15. So now you have, it is equation 5th, equation number 6 it is. Equation number 6. Now see the coefficient of the variable which is having sign of the coefficient of the variable. That is, here it is plus, here also it is plus. So as they are having same sign, you subtract them. Here 15 is greater, means you can subtract the 5th equation from the 6th equation. So you write, by subtracting equation 5 by equation 6, that is equation 6 minus equation 5. Now it becomes, write the first 6 equation, that is 6m plus 12n equals 15 and 6m plus 3n equals 6. So it is the 6th equation, it is the 5th equation. Now you subtract, here it is a subtraction. So you write 6m plus 12n minus what, 6m plus 3n equals 15 minus 6. LHS minus LHS equals RHS minus RHS. Then you open the bracket. 6m plus 12n minus 6m minus 3n equals 15 minus 6 is, that is 9. Then you cancel 6m and 6m here, plus 6m and minus 6m. Then 12 minus 3. What is 12 minus 3? That is 9n. 9n equals 9. So n equals 9 by 9. That cancels. What you got? N equals 1 here. Now you substitute the value of n in the equation 3. That is 6m plus 3n equals 6. By substituting n equals 1 in equation 3. Equation 3, that is in 6m plus 3n equals 6. 6m plus 3n equals 6. That is 6m you write plus 3 into n, means 3 into 1 equals 6 it is. Then it becomes 6m plus 3 is equals to 6. Then 6m is equals to, transfer that 3 to the RHS, that becomes 6 minus 3. So 6m is equals to 3. Therefore, m equals what? Here 6 minus 3 is 3. 6m equals 3 you got. That becomes 3 by 6 it is. M equals 3 by 6. 3 ones are 3 twos it is. 3 twos are. Therefore, you got m equals 1 by 2. M equals 1 by 2. So, here what you have taken, m we have taken 1 by y equals m, 1 by x equals n. So, you take m equals 1 by y is equals to 1 by 2. That implies, that 1 by 2 equals 1 by y. That implies y is equals to 2 by the cross multiplication you got. And n means you have taken 1 by x. N is equals to 1 by x. What is the value of n here? That is 1. N is equals to 1 you have got here. That implies you take 1 equals 1 by x. That implies x equals 1 here. Do the cross multiplication. So you got, therefore you got x equals 1 and y equals 2. X equals 1 and y equals 2. Now the 7th question, that is 10 by x plus y plus 2 by x minus y equals 4. And the second equation is 15 by x plus y minus 5 by x minus y is equals to minus 2. Now you take the first one, that is 10 by x plus y plus 2 by x minus y equals 4. That becomes 10 into 1 by x plus y plus 2 into 1 by x minus y equals 4. Now you take the second one, that is 15 by x plus y minus 5 by x minus y equals minus 2. That implies 15 into 1 by x plus y. 15 by x plus y means 15 into 1 by x plus y plus, here it is minus 5 into 1 by x minus y equals minus 2. Equals minus 2. Then here you put 1 by x plus y is equals to some different variable like a, and 1 by x minus y equals b, like this way, or mn you take, or pq you take, or uv you take. So you take, let us take, put 1 by x plus y equals a you take, and 1 by x minus y is equals to b you take. Then the equation 1 it is, consider this is the first equation, this is the second equation. Now you take the equation 1 is, the equation 1 is what? That becomes 10 into a, becomes 10a plus 2 into b, that is 2b equals 4. And equation 2 is 15 into 1 by x plus y means 15a, that is 15a minus 5b it is. 5b is equals to minus 2. Now you consider this is what you got. The next one, that is you take, this is third equation, this is fourth equation. Now you verify the coefficient here. 10a is there, 15a is there, and 2b is there, 5b is there. So to eliminate any one of the variable, try to have the same coefficient for the variable b or a. Here it is easy to have the same coefficient for b. Here the coefficient of b in the first equation is 2 and in the second equation is minus 5. So the LCM of 2 and 5 is 10. So you can have 10 as a coefficient of b in both the equation. Therefore you multiply the third equation by 5 and fourth equation by 2 to have the same coefficient 10 here. Therefore you write by multiplying equation 3 by 5 and equation 4 by 2. Multiply the equation 3 by 5 and equation 4 by 2. Then it is 5 into 10a plus 2b equals 5 into 4. That becomes, multiply each term by 5, that is 5 tens are 50a plus 5 twos are 10b equals 20 it is. Next one, the fourth equation becomes, that is 2 into 15a minus 5b is equals to 2 into minus 2 it is. That becomes 2 15 the 30a minus 2 5 the 10b equals minus 4 it is. Now you consider this is the equation 5th and this is 6th here. Now here see the sign of the coefficient which are having same variable here, that is plus 10 and minus 10. In that case, as they are having different sign, you can add them to cancel the, to eliminate the variable b. So you can do by adding equation 5 and equation 6, that is by equation 5 plus equation 6. Then you write, that is 50a plus 10b equals 20 plus addition 30a minus 10b equals minus 4 it is. This is the equation 5th and equation 6th here. Now you write the first one, that is 5th one, 50a plus 10b plus 30a minus 10b equals 20 plus minus a means 20 minus 4. 20 plus minus 4 means 20 minus 4 it is. Then you open the bracket here, that is 50a plus 10b plus 30a minus 10b equals 16. 20 minus 4 is 16. Then here plus 10b minus 10b cancels. 50a plus 30a is 80a equals, you can write 80a is equals to 16. So you got a is equals to 16 by 80. So here 16 ones are 16 5s are, a equals, you got 1 by 5. A equals 1 by 5. And to get the value of the b, here you substitute the value of a in the third equation, that is 10a plus 2b equals 4 by substituting a equals 1 by 5 in equation 3. That is what you got here, that is 10a plus 2b is equals to 4. 10a plus 2b equals 4 it is. Now you write 10 into a means 1 by 5 plus 2b equals 4. So 5 ones are 5 twos are 2 it is. 2 plus 2b is equals to 4. Then 2b is equals to 4 minus 2. So 2b is equals to 4 minus 2 is 2. Then b is equals to 2 by 2. 2 ones it is. So you got b equals 1 here. B equals 1. Here a you have taken 1 by x plus y. B you have taken 1 by x minus y. So you write that is a equals 1 by 5 is equals to 1 by x plus y. That implies so you write a equals 1 by x plus y, that equals what? 1 by 5 it is. That implies here you take 1 by 5 equals 1 by x plus y to get that. That implies do the cross multiplication here. That becomes x plus y is equals to 5 you got. X plus y is equals to 5. Next b is equals to 1 by x minus y, that equals 1. That implies 1 equals 1 by x minus y. That implies x minus 5 is equals to 1. Now here x minus y it is, not 5. X minus y is equals to 1. Here again you got a pair of linear equations in two variables. Here two variables are there, x and y. Here you took the number 5 and 6. So you take 7 and 8 here. So this becomes the 7th one. This becomes the 8th one. Now here try to eliminate x or y. So you can eliminate y easily by adding 7 and 8 because here the variables are having same coefficient. So you can do 7 plus 8 by adding. You can also cancel x by subtracting one equation from the other. So you add here by adding equation 7 and equation 8 here. 7 and 8. So it becomes x plus y equals 5. X minus y is equals to 1. So it is 7. It is 8. Then you write x plus y plus x. X minus y equals 5 plus 1. Here we have to add LHS to the LHS and RHS to the RHS. Then it becomes, open the bracket here, x plus y plus x minus y is equals to 6. 5 plus 1 is 6. Plus y minus y plus y cancels here. So you got x plus x is 2x equals 6. Then x equals 6 by 2. 2 ones are 2 threes are. So you got x equals 3. Then you substitute the value of x in any one of the equation. Let us substitute the x equals 3 in the 7th equation. So write by substituting x equals 3 in equation 7 it is. You write that 7th equation, x plus y is equals to 5 it is. Then you put the value of x, that is 3. 3 plus y is equals to 5 it is. That is y is equals to 5 minus 3. So you got y is equals to 2. In this way you got that. Therefore x equals 3, y is equals to 2. These are the solution of the given pair of equations. The value of the variables are 3 and 2. Here you got x equals 3 and y equals 2. Now you take the next question. That is the question number 8. The question is, the equations are here. 1 by 3x plus y plus 1 by 3x minus y equals 3 by 4 it is. 3 by 4. And second equation is 1 by 2 into 3x plus y minus 1 by 2 into 3x minus y equals minus 1 by 8. Now you take the first one, that is 1 by 3x plus y plus 1 by 3x minus y is equals to 3 by 4. That implies here that is nothing but 1 by 3x plus y plus 1 by 3x minus y. You can take here, that is 1 into 1 by 3x plus y. Next you take the second one here, that is 1 by 2 into 3x plus y minus 1 by 2 into 3x minus y is equals to minus 1 by 8. That is negative 1 by 8. This implies. So here you can write at 1 into 1 by 3x plus y plus 1 into 1 by 3x minus y, it is, that equals 3 by 4. For your convenient purpose, here it becomes 1 by 2 into 1 by 3x plus y minus 1 by 2 into 1 by 3x minus y equals minus 1 by 8. Here you take 1 by 3x plus y as one variable and 1 by 3x minus y as other variable, just like a and b or m and n, like this way. So let us take, so you put 1 by 3x plus y is equals to a or m you take. So let us take m here and 1 by 3x minus y is equals to n. Now consider this is the equation 1, this is the equation 2. Now equation 1 becomes, equation 1 is, now equation 1 is, what it becomes, 1 into m, that is m, plus 1 into n equals 3 by 4. And second one is, equation 2 is what? 1 by 2 into m, that is nothing but m here, m by 2 it becomes. 1 by 2 into m means m by 2 minus n by 2 equals minus 1 by 8. Now again here it is a 4, means you do the cross multiplication, that becomes, that implies 4 into m plus n equals 3. That also implies 4m plus 4n equals 3. Now you consider this is the equation. So you write here. Right, the equation 1 becomes what? 1m, that is m plus n equals 3 by 4. Equation 2 becomes m by 2 minus n by 2 equals minus 1 by 2. To have the required space, let us write small. So here you do the cross multiplication, that becomes 4 into m plus n equals 3. That implies 4m plus 4n equals 3. Now you consider this is the equation 3. Next, this implies, again you do the cross multiplication here. It becomes 8 into m by 2 minus n by 2 equals minus 1. That implies here, that is, that you take, that is 8m by 2 minus 8n by 2 is equals to minus 1. That implies 2 1s are 2 4s are, it is 4m minus 4n equals minus 1 it is. Consider this is a fourth. So the equations are here. 4m plus 4n equals 3 and 4m minus 4n equals minus 1 it is. Equals minus 1. That is 3. This is minus 1. Here the equations are 3 by 4. In the RHS you have 3 by 4 and minus 1 by 2. Finally you got this equation. So this is the third one. This is the fourth one. Here it is. We got here. Now here see the coefficient of the variables. In both the equations the variables are having same coefficient. You can cancel them easily. Now here n is having plus 4 and minus 4. So you cancel them by adding them. So you do addition here by adding. You can also cancel m by subtracting as they are having same sign. And by adding you can cancel n. By subtracting you can cancel m here. So let us add by adding equation 3 and equation 4. So it becomes 4m plus 4n equals 3 plus 4m minus 4n equals minus 1. This is third. This is fourth here. So you take, this is the third equation. This is the fourth equation. Then it becomes 4m plus 4n plus 4m minus 4n equals 3 plus 3 plus minus 1 means 3 minus 1 it is. Then open the bracket here. 4m plus 4n plus 4m minus 4n equals 3 minus 1 is 2 here. 4n minus 4n cancels. So it is 8m equals 2. Therefore you will get, you got 8m is equals to 2. Therefore m is equals to 2 by 8. 2 1s are 2 4s are, you got m equals 1 by 4. Now you put the value of m in the equation third or fourth. So let us take the third equation. 4m plus 4n equals 3. Right, by substituting m equals 1 by 4 in equation, that is third equation 3. Equation is 4m plus 4n is equals to 3. 4m plus 4n is equals to 3. M is 1 by 4. So you take m into 1 by 4 plus 4n equals 3. Then 4 cancels. 1 plus 4n equals 3 it is. Therefore 4n equals 3 minus 1. Then 4n equals 2 it is. Therefore you got n equals 2 by 4. That is 2 1s are 2 2s are, n equals 1 by 2. N equals 1 by 2. Now here you have taken m is 1 by 3x plus y and n is 1 by 3x minus y. So you take m equals 1 by 3x plus y, that equals 1 by 4. That implies 1 by 4 equals 1 by 3x plus y, that is 3x plus y equals 4 you got. Next n equals 1 by 3x minus y, that equals 1 by 2. That implies 1 by 2 equals 1 by 3x minus y equals, you write here, do the cross multiplication, you will get 3x minus y is equals to 2 here. 3x minus y is equals to 2. Now you got here third and fourth equation. Now you got again the simultaneous linear equation in two variables. Pair of linear equations, two variables you got here. So you take, that is fifth one you take, fifth. This is sixth one. as you consider third, fourth year, so you take fifth and sixth year. Now here again we have to cancel any one of the variable, and here both the variables are having same coefficient in both the equations. Now let us take the y. Here it is better to eliminate y as they are having different sign. By adding them we can cancel them easily. The coefficients are same, that is 1 and minus 1 here. You can cancel them by adding. So you take by adding equation 5 and equation 6 here, that is by 5th plus 6th it is. So you take 3x plus y equals 4 here, 3x minus y equals 2. This is the 5th equation, this is 6th equation. Now you take the addition, means you write plus here. Now you write 3x plus y plus 3x minus y. Add LHS to the LHS and RHS to the RHS. 4 plus 2 here. Now you open the bracket. 3x plus y plus 3x minus y equals 4 plus 2 is 6 here. Y and y cancels. 3x plus 3x is 6x equals 6. You got x equals 6 by 6 cancels here. 1 you got. Now here we have to get the value of y. So you take the equation 5 or 6. So let us take the 5th equation. 3x plus y is equals to 4. That you write here by substituting x equals 1 in equation 5. Write that 5th equation. 3x plus y is equals to 4. X value is here, that is 3 into 1 plus y is equals to 4. Then here 3 plus y is equals to 4 it is. Therefore you can take y is equals to 4 minus 3 is equals to 1. Therefore you got x equals 1 and y equals 1. In this way you got the solution for the given pair of equations in two variables here.